Morning, Mark. How you doing?
Good morning, Phil.
Phil Warren from Saniplus Canada here. We are going to install a brand new Saniaccess 3 and remove an existing 15-year-old Saniplus as it was improperly installed. I'm here with Mark Easter and the homeowner of this home, and he's had issues throughout many years of having this product installed when he purchased this home.
Yeah, we bought the house 5 years ago, and the toilet down here seemed to be working well. We don't use it that often, but my stepdaughter sleeps down here. And in the middle of the night, we would hear the pump running, come down. I would check it, it wouldn't shut off. I would flush the toilet, sometimes it would shut off, sometimes it wouldn't. And then also, just because it's not prevented properly, then the odor started as well. And it's kind of embarrassing when company or anyone's here and there's a smell in the room. So we thought it's time to get rid of it and go with the new Saniplus product. This morning.
Perfect. Hey, Ben, Phil from Saniplus, Ben from Brunet Plumbing. Ben's going to explain Mark Easter's issue with the original Saniplus being improperly installed and what he's going to do to correct the installation with the trade professional product, Access 3.
So today we're going to change out the macerating pump, the toilet bowl, and the tank. This one here was not properly installed. They've used braided line for the discharge and it's not vented, so it hasn't been working properly for some time. So we're going to put in the Saniaccess 3 in a brand new toilet and we'll get them working. So again, we're just going over the braided supply that they've used here. We're going to be removing all of that, and we're going to be also removing the electrical conduit that was used for the original install, which is incorrect. Another issue that we have here is they should have used a Y branch fitting as opposed to a TY, just because it's not code. And we're going to bring this discharge up a little bit higher, and we're going to gravity feed it into the 3-inch stack, just so everything's proper and up to code and working properly. So we removed the TY that wasn't in place, and we changed it for a Y so that it's up to code. And we've redone the piping for the discharge, all with 3/4 PVC and 45-degree bends, and a new valve in place. And that's it for the discharge.
Good.
So we're also going to run this vent up this wall and around the corner here. And we've made a hole in a floor joist cavity, and we're going to run it across over into the mechanical room, where we found a route to get the vent to the upstairs and tied into the stack that's above the flood level of any fixtures in there. So we've run our vent from our Saniaccess 3 downstairs, and we're up on the second floor of this house, and we've brought our vent up and we've tied it in above the flood level of all the other fixtures on this floor. So that completes. So we now have a 2-way atmospheric vent as per manufacturer specifications and Ontario Plumbing Code, which meets everything and
Completes our installation. Hey Ben, great job. You know, after 3.5 hours, we're fully complete our install with brand new discharge pipe, new venting going to atmospheric. We got a brand new Saniaccess 3 installed with a new skirted bowl and tank. How'd you find swapping out a 15-year-old plus Saniplus to an Access 3?
The removal and reinstallation really wasn't that bad. We had to just make an adjustment for our tie downs for the bowl And as far as adding the vent, it wasn't a big deal. We vented it in the closet behind, up into the ceiling, and up into the stack. And yeah, it went really well.
Perfect. Well, I appreciate you putting some time and effort in Mr. Easter's house, and let's hope he enjoys his brand new Access 3.
Absolutely.
Thank you.